Hello guys, how are you all doing there? Hello from the Indonesia.
It's a video.
Yeah, it's a video. Let me introduce to one of my very good friend, Czech Republic. His name is John.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Oh, yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, should I speak in Czech?
Sure. You're most welcome, man.
Okay. Ahoj všichni, zdravím vás, ať už to bude kdekoliv na světě, nejspíš to bude někde na Facebooku, každopádně nikdo tomu nebude rozumět a on mě akorát poprosil, abych mluvil česky. Já jsem z České republiky, zastupuji tady svoji republiku, takže doufám, že vyhraju. Každopádně už skončím s češtinou a bude to pro vás všechny velký oříšek.
Yeah, I only understand the Facebook, man. And today we have a beautiful lady. Her name is Wow.
Yeah, no, wow.
Wow, wow.
It's wow. I just said that
Wow.
she's like wow.
Just because you're everyone call me wow.
Yeah.
Because it's like wow.
Just like her name, she's indeed Wow. Isn't it?
Just like that.
Wow too. Thank you. And like turning to that side, we have Spain, Mr. Spain. Okay. Yeah. His name is Antino Piam. And guys, follow him on Instagram. Yeah. Yeah. On the next side, we have Mr. India Abhishek Shahas. Yeah. And you follow him on Instagram and Facebook as well, isn't it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Is it the Insta video?
Abhishek Shah,
I'll
India.
post it on Insta.
Oh, Insta video, okay.
Okay, at the other side, we have
Yes.
Malaysia. Yes,
My name is Edison. Hi.
Yeah,
Do follow my Instagram.
sure. Follow him.
Yes.
And we have enjoying our lunch here at the very beautiful hotel, isn't that? Yeah. And guys, it is the oldest hotel in Indonesia. It was established in 1970. 70. Yeah. So it's a very historic moment for us. And turning to that side, she is Pawi, the owner of Misho Solozi. Yeah, and she is indeed very beautiful. That laser. And at that side, say hello guys to Mr. Vietnam. Yes. And moving this side. His name is Tu. Yes. He's from Myanmar. Yeah. And of course. Yeah.
Nepal, a kiss deep inside my
Yeah,
heart.
he's sending greetings to Nepal.
Love
Say
you
hello
all.
guys, yeah.
Love you guys.
Yeah, he's very
Good luck.
person.
Good luck.
He's the best person I have ever met.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. You're the
And
best. But yeah.
Fajr. He is the Mr. Global, best talent.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Hey, Nepal. Hello, what's up?
Yes. He's enjoying with us for our dinner. And turning to that side, he's Mr. Netherlands. And his name is Tim. Yes. Look at his muscle, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And at the side, online man, I can't come there. He's Mr. Philippines and his name is Karan.
Thank you.
Isn't that interesting, guys? Yes, he's sending you. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll be updating more information about the patient.
Our trip.
Yeah, our trip. Yeah, our trip. For now, bye. See you.